Hey folks, MACT back, and now we're going to go over the Ford knuckle. That's right, Ford Edge knuckle for 2011 Ford Edge through 2014. I don't know that it would cross-reference down to the 7 through 10. You have to make sure you double check that. But I do have the part numbers here and everything, and we're going to go over this. Got the box opened, and we're going to check out the knuckle to see what it includes. This is a Motorcraft part, so let's go ahead and check it out. Now this is a Motorcraft part, as you can see from the box right here, and they have the call out numbers and everything else. MEF-26-1X, that means there's one in here. And this is a BT4Z3K186A, and basically this is going to be whichever side it is. It doesn't say exactly on the box, but it's going to be pretty simple because it's only going to fit one way. So, and it's marked pretty simply. Guess they put L, and it's also ground in there, or part of the fabrication process. They got it marked with left. So this is the left side, which means driver's side. So we have the knuckle right here. Pretty hefty deal. This thing is not light by any means. I don't even know if my scale is going to be able to handle that type of weight. Let's go ahead and see what the scale says. Nope, too heavy for the scale. It's a pretty hefty piece. So the scale can't handle that much weight, but it is stamped Ford Motorcraft, and I did order this thing through Rock Auto, and it's pretty simple. When you're looking at it, you have your mounts right here for your strut. Then of course all your ball joints gonna go down in here, tie rod ends and everything else, and it bolts all up. So the bearing itself will go in here into this hole right here. You're gonna of course force that in through there, and then right on the inside you have your ring lock that you put that spring lock in there. So when you put the bearing in, you got the hub in there, you put that on there, you're all set. Bearings pressed in, ready to go. But overall, pretty hefty piece of material. Machining is not going to be fine quality, but it's nice and smooth, so it won't have a problem. But if you're going to be going and buying these parts, why do you need to buy them? Well, unless you damaged it, you really don't need to buy this. But I live in the Midwest, so what do you think's happening in here and all the way around this? Yeah, it's rusty, it's getting nasty, and I'd probably fight like crazy after almost 300,000 miles to get that bearing out of there. So why not start fresh? And I went ahead and started fresh on here. Price for this knuckle was about $68 at Rock Auto for each one. So not a big price to pay for what you're going to be getting and what you're going to be doing with it. So anyway, this is the part that I went ahead and just wanted to review for y'all. You can see that it's in pretty decent shape, and it will do the job. And it's a Motorcraft part, so it should fit just like it was designed. Well folks, that's the MACT review on the knuckle for your 2011 through 14 Ford Edge. Go ahead and get this part. Yeah, it's wonderful. It's heavy, and it should do the job. MACT Ford Edge. Like, subscribe, and also Band of One's got great music. My V at the floor today, and Mercy Girl's got a couple one-liners for you.
Thank you for watching MACT's videos, and remember to like and subscribe. This is a Mercy Girl production.